Hi, my name's Beau, natural medicine and hormone expert, and today I wanted to discuss with you how you can diagnose whether you have too much male hormone as a female. Now medically that syndrome or that condition is called polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS. I prefer to call it female hormone disorder or FHD. Now, some of the symptoms which I've already covered in previous clips, which you can see after this one, we get irritability and anger, we get belly fat, we can get acne, we can get facial hair, our periods can stop, we can become infertile, we can even get this lump of fat that develops on our back. Now the diagnosis of it medically is done quite strictly. I think that it's missing a lot of women who have this problem because the criteria at the moment is the jury's still out and doctors aren't really geared to pick up hormone disorders. You're better off seeing someone who specialises in it because we see it day in, day out. Now medically, if you go present with your doctor and you say, look, I can't fall pregnant, I'm getting really angry, if they're not doing 3-minute medicine and actually listen to you, they might order an ultrasound of your ovaries and see if you've got any cysts on your ovaries. They may order a blood test and see if your testosterone's elevated. Now both of those may be normal and you still might have the syndrome. So it can be useful if you get picked up with it. Then you'll probably get referred to an endocrinologist or a gynecologist and they'll likely put you on medications. Now I treat this every day and what I find the best way to pick this up if you're concerned is to do a saliva test. Now the reason why is because you don't need cysts on your ovaries to have high testosterone. You might just have the acne or you might just be really angry and find that you are losing control of your temper and that's really distressing. So if we do a saliva test, we'll find out what your free testosterone is. From there we can determine the treatment from it and I treat it lots of ways. I'll talk about in another clip the things that actually push testosterone up in women because a lot of it comes down to lifestyle and you don't need diabetic medication, you don't need the pill, you need to understand it more and what's pushing it up, and that's what I help women with. It's also what this book's been about, Beauty and the Beast Within, and it's a #1 bestseller. For this book I've been on TV a lot. I've become a world expert in PCOS or FHD just because of the data in here and how I talk very candidly about testosterone and what drives it up inside women. So you can order that from my website. It's available now as a download. Just go into shop and you'll see it there and it'll be able to help you more. Be sure to watch my other clips too.